Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number 1 pick is Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. Ninja Professional is a commercial grade with affordable price blender. It has a considerable large 72 ounces container and is equipped with a 1000 watts motor. Furthermore, this motor has a special design so-called as crushing technology, which will make the blender very powerful for all tasks. Thanks to this technology, you can save a lot of your time in making smoothies. This will take approximately 30 seconds to blend no matter what is the input ingredients. This blender can be utilized for blending frozen fruits, sauces or purees with a various style. The large countertop blending capacity is greatly used for preparing large batches of icy drinks, smoothies, shakes for the whole family or party. Pitcher is BPA free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. Our second best blender under $100 is Hamilton Beach 58148A blender. Hamilton Beach will be the best choice for those who are looking for a blender at an affordable price yet comes with large capacity. This blender will mix everything together as a smooth wave for the best result with dedicated wave action technology. Hamilton Beach is equipped with a 700 watts peak motor for a powerful performance, especially ice crushing. Therefore, it can be capable of blending a variety of frozen fruit smoothies or icy drinks. Furthermore, it owns 12 different functions with 5 simple buttons to operate. Thanks to the no mess pour spout with a hinged cap, it is easy to handle than ever for your tasks. Blades removed for easy cleaning. Jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Let's watch more. Third in our list is Magic Bullet Blender. For crushing nuts and seeds, blending smoothies, juices, shakes and other tasks. The most affordable one is Magic Bullet Blender. Despite its small size, it is still a profitable investment for small families. This blender is definitely a supportive assistant in your kitchen thanks to its durability and multifunction. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more, all with a simple twist of the wrist. Our included recipe guide can help you make quick, easy, and delicious dishes, from appetizers to desserts. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the blade, line up the tabs and place on the power base. Simply rinse with soap and water. The cups are top rack dishwasher safe. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high torque power base. Number 4 in our best blender under $100 list is Syncred Shake Mixer. Syncred Shake Mixer is a perfect choice for those who love healthy drinks such as smoothies, fruit and vegetable drinks. The compact size and affordable price are 2 reasons why you should choose this blender for everyday personal use. All the ingredients will be mixed together smoothly and effortlessly within seconds. The equipped stainless steel blades have different angles to ensure the perfect outcome. The power of Syncred, special blades design and cyclonic action work together to extract the most nutritious parts from food. It is convenient and efficient to clean the cup of this shake mixer in a way of juicing. The cup is removable and will be clean enough after being flushed. The power base is suspended to achieve fast cooling and convenient moving. The gap there can also be used to place wires. Let's watch more. Our last pick is BLACKDECKER BL 2010 BP Blender. BLACKDECKER Blender is equipped with a powerful 550 watts motor which can deliver ice crushing performance smoothly. It has a blade to blend at multi-levels to enhance the efficiency as well as the blending power. The BLACKDECKER 10-speed blender is a kitchen classic. The 550 watts of power deliver ice crushing performance, with 10 speeds and a pulse control to quickly find the consistency you want. The lightweight plastic 6-cup jar is easy to pour from and holds several servings of your favorite soups, smoothies, frozen mixers, and more. Plus, cleanup is convenient, thanks to the dishwasher-safe removable parts. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe pitcher, lid, and blade.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!